A major fire has broken out at the Ghazipur landfill site in East Delhi. While efforts continue to douse the fire, a senior Municipal Corporation of Delhi official has said that excavators have also been pressed into service to control the fire. Meanwhile, the BJP has hit out at the Delhi government, alleging that it had promised to clear the Ghazipur landfill site by December 31st last year, but did not keep its word. In 2019, the height of the Ghazipur landfill was 65 meters, only 8 meters less than the Qutub Minar. Moreover, in 2022, 3 incidents of fire were reported at the Ghazipur landfill as well. Speaking on the landfill situation, AAP MP Sanjay Singh has said that all the MCD officials are working to douse the fire. Let's in fact take a listen.
जो हमारे एमसीडी के हमारे जो नेता हैं और वहाँ के अधिकारी हैं वो लगातार इस पे काम कर रहे हैं और जो वहाँ हमारी फायर डिपार्टमेंट है, दमकल की सेवाएं हैं वो भी लगी हुई हैं। जल्दी हालात पे काबू मिल जाएगा।
यही मुद्दा बना के आम आदमी पार्टी ने एमसीडी चुनाव जीता था।
तो हमने कितने बड़े कूड़े का पहाड़ खत्म किया आप देखिए ना। हमने जो मुद्दा बना के चुनाव लड़ा था हम उस मुद्दे पे काम कर रहे हैं।
बीजेपी तमाम आरोप लगा रही है इस मुद्दे पर।
बीजेपी को छोड़ दीजिए। बीजेपी हिंदुस्तान की एक ऐसी भ्रष्ट पार्टी है जिसने सारे भ्रष्टाचारियों को अपने साथ शामिल कर लिया, लोकतंत्र की हत्या की। ये लोग संविधान बदलने जा रहे हैं, आरक्षण खत्म करेंगे, चुनाव खत्म करेंगे। आज सबसे बड़ा सवाल और सबसे बड़ी चुनौती इस बात की है।
सब मुख्यमंत्री जेल में इसलिए कंट्रोल नहीं है, सब व्यवस्था पर ऐसा भी आरोप।
My colleague Ayush Sharma joins us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Ayush, of course, now political war of words over the fire incident of the Ghazipur landfill. What further details can you share with us?
Well, yes, the current updates are that the BJP Delhi President Virendra Sachdeva is now just visited the Ghazipur landfill site and the fire is still erupting. There are clouds of smoke which are being which can still be seen coming out of the landfill site. And as of now, the Delhi BJP has came into an attacking mode against the Delhi government party, which in the NCD also. And when Kejriwal's party, Aam Party, contested for the elections of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, they promised Delhi that they will eradicate the 3 landfill sites within 6 months, and the deadline of December 2023 has been given, which is now extended to December 2025. And now BJP is attacking BJP is in the attacking mode against the Aam Aadmi Party and still asking questions that why the landfill sites have not been cleared yet, despite the big promises made during the elections by the Aam Aadmi Party and the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal himself. Now the Delhi BJP leaders are continuously visiting the landfill sites. They are meeting the locals and the residents, the people who live nearby, who are still in contact with the smoke. We are around 200 to 300 meters away from the landfill site and are advised to stay at such a distance that the smoke does not come in contact with our eyes or with our skin, as this smoke is so injurious that it can cause diseases like cancer also. Over to you.
All right. Ayush, with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details with our viewers. But of course, viewers, you see those visuals on your screens. These fires. Ayush, if you're still with us, in fact, on the broadcast, give our viewers an understanding on when exactly these fires started. It's been over 12 hours since, efforts have been made to douse the fire. We see so many teams on ground trying to put the situation, stabilize the situation. Of course, we see that there are a lot of health concerns that people are raising as far as, irritation in the eye is concerned, breathing problems are concerned. When did this all start and what are the issues that people are facing because of this?
Yes, I would like to inform you that it was the time at 5:30 yesterday evening when the fire department got a call that the Ghazipur landfill site had caught a fire, and the BJP is alleging that the DFS company took more than 1 hour to reach the spot, and then only a single unit of the DFS fire came and they started to spread chemical over the Ghazipur landfill site to stop the fire from spreading, but unfortunately it didn't came of any help, and it's been more than than 12 hours, the fire is still burning, the smoke is still coming out of the landfill site, and the people nearby are facing serious health concern. I would like to show you a locality from using my back camera. See, there are many multi-story houses near the landfill sites, and all the people living here have closed their windows and doors, and people are inside their house. No one wants to come in contact with this hazardous smoke as it is causing many serious problems. The people living nearby are having itchiness in their eyes and skin diseases due to this smoke which erupted from this Ghazipur landslide.
Right, absolutely. Ayush, with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those comprehensive details with our viewers.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.